Hello, let me introduce our BPM series electric meters. Our BPM series includes the BPM 1111, BPM 311, and BPM 3510 model. The BPM 1111 is a single-phase electric meter and offers two wiring methods: copper plate direct insertion and flexible wire. For the copper plate direct insertion, you need to thread the wire through this hole and then fix the copper plate onto the circuit breaker. For the flexible wire direct connection, you need to connect the device's flexible wire and the electric wire together to the circuit breaker. When wiring, be sure to pay attention to the direction of the current. The BPM 3111 also offers two wiring methods: copper plate direct insertion and flexible wire connection. The wiring method is the same as the 1111, and you also need to pay attention to the direction of the current. The BPM 3510 uses an external CT, which is an open type CT. When wiring, pass the electric wire through this open type CT and then close it. This way you can detect the current data. Next, to monitor the data, we need to open our Tuya app. Here we can see the voltage, current, and active power. There is also forward active energy and reverse active energy. We can also see it here. The accumulated forward active energy and reverse active energy.